How to fix payment revision on Amazon. Now, if you're facing the problem of payment revision on Amazon but you don't know what does that mean, then this simply means that your card is expired or you have insufficient balance or insufficient balance on your card, or your billing address is mismatched, or Amazon has blocked the transaction for security reasons. Now, to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing is logging into your Amazon account. You just need to open the Amazon account and you just need to sign in to your account by entering the credentials like your email address or mobile number. And after that, you just need to click on the option of the orders, which you'll find at the very bottom of the section. And from there, you'll see the option or the order showing payment revision needed. So click on it. After that, you'll also see the option of result now or change payment method. So click on it and you can simply update your payment method by adding a new card, or you may also simply update the existing card by entering the correct expiration date, CVV or billing address. And also make sure that your card has sufficient balance. So if there is no sufficient balance, then it will again show you the problem of revision needed. So do that and check if it is working or not. So if it is working, that's good for you. If it is not working, then you just need to click on the option of customer service, and from here you just need to click on the option of payment and promotion and click on the option of more payment and promotion, and here you will see the option of resolve or decline payment. So click on it, and from here you just need to simply follow the step which they will show you, or you may simply talk with them through the contact option and you'll be able to fix the problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix the revision needed issue on Amazon. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.